Good morning students, welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. So children, let's discuss our today's topic, Geometry Part 2. In our previous class we have discussed about lines, line segment, parallel lines, perpendicular lines, etc. In today's class we will discuss what is an angle. An angle is formed when two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol shown here. In simple words, when two or more rays, line segments meet at a common point, then an angle is formed. Angles are measured in degrees. So children, to understand what is an angle, let's take an example. Here, two rays SR and ST are meeting at a common point S, and an angle is formed, angle RST. We can call it TSR also. While writing an angle, use symbol of angle always as shown here. Now, arms of angle. Arms of angle RST are SR and ST, which are meeting at a point and an angle is formed. Vertex. Vertex is a point at which two rays meet, and here rays SR and ST are meeting at point S. So vertex is S. Here rays BA and BC are meeting at a point B, and angle ABC and CBA is formed. Arms of angle ABC are BA and BC. Vertex is B, where two rays are meeting. Children, don't forget to write symbol when you write an angle. Now we will discuss about kinds of angles. Here we will discuss four different kind of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle. So first we will take acute angle. What is an acute angle? Acute angle, an angle whose measure is less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree is called acute angle. Children, on the left side if you see, acute angle is shown here. On the right side also, real life example of acute angle is shown here, in which you can see one clock is there and time is 12:10. Right angle, an angle whose measure is 90 degree, exact 90 degree is called right angle. On the left side you can see example of right angle, and on the right side also clock is shown here and right angle is formed in between two arms of clock. Now obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. You can see on the left side example of obtuse angle, and right side also in between two arms of clock obtuse angle is formed. Now straight angle, an angle whose measure is 180 degree is called straight angle. On the left side if you see two rays are going opposite to each other, then straight angle is formed. On the right side also time is shown 6 o'clock here, and in between arms of clock straight angle is formed. Children, you can make different kind of angles by using matchsticks, color paper strips, woolen thread, etc. as shown in the picture.